A lease is a binding contract between a property owner and a tenant. It sets the rules for living in a home you do not own. Think of a lease as a legal roadmap. It defines exactly what you can expect from your landlord and what they expect from you. Most residential leases run for 12 months, providing stability for the tenant and guaranteed income for the property owner. A lease outlines the financial obligations, security deposit details, and the house rules you must follow while living in the property. While people use the terms interchangeably, a lease provides long-term price security, whereas a rental agreement offers more flexibility but less predictability. When you sign a lease, expect to pay more than just the first month of rent. Security deposits and application fees are standard startup costs. Never skip the fine print. Your signature is a legal agreement to follow the rules, even the ones you might find inconvenient later. Understanding your lease helps you protect your rights and your money. Thanks for watching, and stay informed on your next big move.